I thought I'd take a break from Korean lesson and film something a bit more fun to watch, and it's how to play Gonggi. So the word Gonggi actually means air, but this game, which has nothing to do with air, is also called Gonggi. It's a traditional game that our ancestors used to play using 5 pebbles, but children nowadays buy colorful plastic stones designed specifically for this game, like the ones that I have here with me. When I was in elementary school, I used to play this all the time, including almost everyone in my class. So playing this really brings back the childhood memory in me. So to play this game, you would first have to know the rule, right? So before I explain step by step, I will first show you so that you can first watch and get how it works in general. So this is round 1. Round 2. 3, round 4, round 5, and then you repeat the same rounds. And the 5th round is the scoring round. It's the round where you get points. So you flip your hands and then you should catch all the pieces of it like this. And if you miss any one of it, you don't get any point. So there are many playing calls in this game, aka the mess up. Failing to pick up all the pieces that you should is one of them. Touching another piece when picking up the pieces you're supposed to pick up is another mess. Failing to catch the falling piece. Failing to catch all the pieces on the back of your hand in round 5. And when your hands are not square when catching the pieces in round 5. You can play this game with your friends or you can even do it alone. For example, I challenged myself to get 20 points in just 4 straight sets, and let's see if I make it. Okay, let's see if I can go on. Like, how far I can make it. Let's see. Okay. No. Oh, okay, I messed up because I was supposed to throw one piece and then put down all the others because it's a 4 round, but I'll do it anyways. Oh, I messed it up anyways. Okay, so I made it to 20, so I'm very happy. Okay. If you want to try Gonggi yourself, you're more than welcome to. I think this game can be good for your hand-eye coordination and also improving your concentration and also to have some wholesome fun. You can get Gonggi pieces on Amazon, and if you live in Korea, you can also get it at a nearby stationery store. I got mine at like 400won, which is way less than $1.